Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a witch's cauldron. Let's start off by drawing a wide oval for the top of the cauldron. Inside, draw a wide curved line following the bottom of the oval, and two short curved lines on either side to the edge of the oval. Underneath, draw a big rounded shape for the bottom of the cauldron. Then, add two small nubs on the bottom here and here for the legs, and one shorter one here for the leg in the back. Inside the cauldron, draw some bubbles with a big arch, a smaller one behind it, and a medium-sized one to the right. Close the bottoms of those bubbles with a flatter curve underneath like so. Then, draw a wavy line that goes from this side of the cauldron, behind the bubbles, all the way to the other side for some mysterious liquid. To add some more detail, draw two very small ovals on the upper left corners of the bubbles to make them look shiny. Then, add some swirls coming out of the top of the cauldron for the smells wafting out of the mysterious liquid. And lastly, a group of dots on the bottom left of the cauldron for some texture. And now you've got a witch's cauldron.